everyone, this is Nikhil here and it's 5:20 in the morning and I'm driving. So I'm driving and vlogging. Anyways, so I'm driving very slow, don't worry about that. And it's empty road, I can see, empty. So I am going to Yogi Hills, which is in Mulund, which is just around 10 kilometers away from my house. And I'm going with Wasim. After a very long time, I'm going with Wasim. And the reason I'm going there because put on around 2-3 kgs of weight again because work, eating, sleeping, and it's summers, so I can't even work out properly. So I decided, I told Wasim, Wasim, चल जाते हैं यार, Yogi Hills जाते हैं, थोड़ा trekking करते. So I'm going there to trek. And I'm sure most of you already understood. साला निखिल ट्रैक के लिए नहीं जा रहा है, कोई और चीज़ के लिए जा रहा है. That is also a reason which you will soon find out. By the way, how do you like the intro when I'm standing and going down? How do you like the intro? You like the intro, right? Yeah, very nice. So yeah, we have covered around 2 kilometers and more 6 or 7 kilometers to go. So it's night time. You really can't see anything. See, it's 5:20 in the morning. So we reached here in Mulund, me and Wasim. कितने बज रहे हैं?
5:35.
It's 5:35 in the morning. We still have to wait for like around 20 minutes because it's still dark and we have to climb that mountain. And we don't want to climb when it's dark. So we have to enter from this garden. The garden's name is Vasant Garden. So in Mulund, Cyprus area, if you want to do a trek in Mumbai, you know where to come now. Mulund area, Cyprus, Vasant Garden near NES International School. And this is Yogi Hills, behind Yogi Hills, okay? Okay, so we still have like around 15 minutes, so we decided to have tea. Yeah, super. Early morning we need tea. So we have just entered this garden. Now I think we have to go from this side. Can you see stairs behind me? I'm sure you can't see. So we are climbing the stairs, if you can see a little bit. Okay, so we have done like around 10 minutes of climbing. Can you hear that scary noise? It's irritating, yes. It's irritating and scary. If any one of you knows what kind of insect make this kind of sound, please comment down below because I don't know. Wow, this is fun. This is really fun. Wasim, jaldi kar. We are not really climbing that fast and still 10-15 minutes to go for us to reach on the top. I don't know why this tree is white, or maybe my knowledge is weak. Can someone help me out? Is this tree white or something wrong with this tree? Arey? Chale. Almost there. See that? I think that's the top. I hope that's the top. This must be looking wonderful during monsoon. Okay. चलो वसीम भाग. फंस गए और बैग है ना यार. क्या हाँ शूज़ में ग्रिप नहीं. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, If you ever want to trek in Mumbai, now you know where to come. So it'll be like around half an hour climb for an average healthy person. Okay, we thought we were almost there, but we are not almost there. I think after that we'll be almost there, because in the pictures I saw that is Vihar Lake, and yeah, this is, I'm sure you have seen, this is Mulund. So Wasim went to the gym yesterday and his back is aching, so I've got my backpack and this bag. So it's just 2.5 kilometers more.
Oh fuck. देखिए वो देख.
क्या? ओए होए, सूरज निकला नहीं भाई.
Bitches be like.
लग रहा है सही है. So we are still climbing because we were not on the top. We thought we were on the top, but we are not on the top. So we still have to climb. And we are tired. Okay, I think I've forgot to mention one thing, that this mountain, it connects to Borivali National Park. So there can be possibilities that there can be leopards over here. So that is Tus Lake. This is basically pure jungle. That is Sanjay Gandhi National Park. That is Sanjay Gandhi National Park, and you can see this is all connected. This mountain, that mountain, everything is connected. That is Borivali or Kandivali. And from there we came. We are not planning to go ahead because it's all jungle over there. And there's nothing, I mean, no, there is something. People वहाँ से वहाँ चढ़ती है भाई. वो टिप दिख रहा है. Okay, so yeah, now we are leaving now from here because now it's looking very spooky. It was fun, early morning trek, and
But we have come too far.
yeah, we have come really too far.
Seriously.
I don't think many people they come till here because we can understand, you know. Mumbai cars. Now you know there's one place in Mumbai where you can trek. Now don't get naughty and get your girlfriend over here because really it's a scary place. I don't think you can get all romantic and lovey-dovey over here.
Just hear this noise.
Hear this noise, so
Not at all romantic.
many insects, so many flies which you have never seen. So we came from there and now we have to go there down, and we saw this extra route. Now I'm curious what is there in this route. Wasim doesn't want to come because it looks really spooky in the middle of the jungle, but wow, it's so quiet over here. Imagine if one leopard jumps in front of me. Okay, I think you know the beauty about this place, guys. This jungle is in the center of Mumbai. Okay, not okay. This side is this side is South Mumbai, Mulund side, and that is all the Borivali Kandivali side. This is a jungle. It's a really big jungle. From what I've heard is that you can actually walk from here, and you can go and you can go to Borivali, you can go to Kandivali and all that. But you should know the way. If you don't know the way, you're actually screwed. This part is very quiet. I'm really curious. So from
South north.
boy. From here you can actually go down, but I don't want to go down. And thank you.
मम्मी का
Tiffin box. This is the tiffin box. Climbing part was easy, huh?
बेयर गिल्स ने सिखाया है.
कौन Bear Grylls?
वहाँ से मत जाओ. अच्छा सिखाते.
Really?
हाँ मत जाओ.
This is like really steep, man. Okay, okay. I don't want to slip.
सोना तेरी मम्मी को टिफिन देगा।
Okay.
सांस मेरे घुटने में तो मेरे पास ऐसे तो बहुत ज़्यादा गिरते हैं। 1 किलो तो कम हो गया रहेगा।
Okay, so we are almost down. Not in the garden, but we're almost down. So this part I couldn't show you because that time it was pretty dark.
नहीं आए थे।
नहीं यही है
यहाँ से ये वाला नहीं देखना।
हाँ but ये भी है.
ऑफिसर जैसे में जाके
You can either go from here, which this is the route which you took, straight up, or you can go from here. I prefer this way. And so we are down. This is the garden which I showed you that time, but I couldn't show you properly. This garden is actually very nice. Very big garden. Huh? क्या हुआ? Wow, you can even skate over there. That's nice. Hey, why they do this? That's a car and somebody has parked an Activa like an ass. Okay, so we are back inside the car.
Turn on the AC.
And yeah, I have to turn on the AC now because we are sweating like anything. Everything is closed. Wasim, had fun?
Yeah, really.
Yeah, it was really fun. So I'll go home, I'll take bath and I'll sleep for some time.
Yes.
And then I'll edit after upload करने के लिए. So we are back to my building. So Wasim has a 390, but his rear end is of 200. 390. Please don't ask me again.
200.
चलो Wasim.
Bye.
Bye. संभल के जा. Take care. Thank you for coming. Very tired. Okay, I just realized that I haven't end the vlog, so sorry about that. So I hope you like this video. Do give this video a like and share your opinion. I do read the comment, but sometimes it's difficult to reply to all the comments. As always, shukran alvida, ma salama, take care and do whatever you want, my lovely friend. Bye bye.